Hi, and welcome to a new customized school management software. Killobyte's My School software is complete school automation software that manages and simplifies daily school tasks. This software eliminates duplication of work and effectively manages the entire school administration tasks. Manage your school with the most advanced, powerful and intuitive school management software. This could be one of the best customized software available in the market. It makes all your school-related works easier and it is just at your fingertips. Killobyte empowers educational institutions to focus on delivering high-quality education by automating all the administrative tasks in the most efficient manner. Here you can see how your software is going to work and how you can manage all your school needs under one roof.